we are at Steele Creek Campground.
So beautiful.
Beautiful area here, just windy. And apparently it's always windy here. So we're going to pull over to another part here.
I'm not tie my hair for show you how wind is strong.
So yeah, it's getting in my face. So anyways, it's windy and it's a little cool. So we're going to move to a different spot. All right, let's go. Okay, we came to the other side of the park and the water is really calm over here. Beautiful.
Yeah.
That
Hard
guy,
to believe because 2 minutes only. With this dog. Heather,
okay.
come here.
So anyways, this ranger guy, Larry, he suggests us to come on this side because he said it's less windy and it's really nice here. Beautiful.
And beautiful.
Yes.
Let's go. Freedom. Freedom. What?
I need you. Maybe I'm falling for you. Maybe I'm falling for. Maybe I'm falling for you.
Nana, come here. What's your head? Yeah, go ahead.
Ready? I do not go sit up.
Well, just try it. Should we do some push-ups, honey? Let's do push-ups right here. You and me, we'll do push-ups together. Here we go, Heather. Come on, Heather. Swim.
Oh,
Good girl, Heather. Good girl.
that's a good girl. Hannah,
Go, Heather. Go.
Wow. Oh, good job, Hannah.
You don't mind it at all.
Yeah.
We gotta put Heather right here. Heather, come here, boy. Come on. Let me let Heather swim.
Yeah. Harry, come here. Maybe right side. Harry, come here.
Here, Harry.
Okay. Ready?
Harry, come.
Harry, come here.
Come on, boy.
It's okay.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Oh, boy, yeah. Harry, come here.
Let's go. Freedom.
Yeah.
Stand it up. they find you work?
Yeah, well, they said we're hooked in 100 companies. She goes, we're mostly looking for people who want to work full time, but she goes, we do got temporary work too.
Right. So they're like headhunters in a way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That big pass that I got from my buddy, and the retirees came up and said, well, we need to see your pass. Anybody in the park, we got to see your Golden Age pass. And I'm like,
But I don't see any people. I just see the van. And then further out, there's a shuttle bus. I was gonna go look at that, but haven't got around to it. But that's a little. That's yeah, but that's a little ways over. So it's like.
Ồ đấy ạ.
That is getting pretty fast. Good, Aaron. Come on, Aaron. Come on, Dad. Chase me. Chase me, Dad. Look at you. You got like grass all over.